Hi everybody, welcome to our first maths video. Just a really quick reminder, boys and girls, it's really important that you are watching these videos from start to finish, okay? Because in these videos I explain everything you need to know, including your activity. So make sure you are listening and watching carefully. Alright, I think it's time to get started on some maths. Now today and this week, and actually for most of this term, we are going to be learning about addition. Now, addition means, I'm sure you all remember, means adding numbers together. Okay? Now, today, let's quickly have a look at our learning intention. Our learning intention is to create addition equations by splitting numbers into smaller parts. Okay? So instead of solving problems where you have two smaller numbers and you have to add them together, today we are going to start with the bigger number. And then we're going to split the numbers up, okay? We call that part, part, whole. Can you do that with me? Part, part, whole. One more time. Part, part, whole, okay? Because two parts of a number give us a whole number. Today we are going to start with the whole number. We're going to split them up in as many different ways as possible. All right, so let's have a look at this poster that I've got over here. Now, this is going to give us an example of what we're doing today, okay, boys and girls? Now, on this poster, I have started with the number 8. Now, remember, mathematicians always need to double check, so I want you to double check with me to make sure we have 8 dots here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, there's a quicker way to count that. I can see that they are in groups of 2, so let's count them by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Excellent. We've double checked that twice now. We definitely have 8 dots here. Now, I have shown different ways to make the number 8. I know, and I hope you can all see the numbers. Okay, I'm just going to bring this a little bit closer. Okay. I know that I can make the number 8 with 5 and 3 more. This symbol here, boys and girls, is the addition symbol. Now, I know a lot of you call it plus, okay? We want to call this symbol and, okay? Because plus means and. We have 5 and 3 more. Let's check on our fingers to make sure that definitely makes 8. 5 and 3 more. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I definitely have 8. So 5 and 3 makes 8. It is the same as 8. Okay? Let's see how else I made 8. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 and another 4. Let's check that on our fingers. 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, awesome. So far, I've made the number 8 with 5 and 3. I've made the number 8 with 4 and 4. Okay, let's see how else I've made the number 8 here. We have 2 and 6 equals 8. Equals means is the same as, okay, is equal to. 2 and 6, let's count our dots all together to make sure it equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. And I have also made 8 over here with 1 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have shown the number 8 in 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways. And guess what? There are more ways to make the number 8. I'm going to give you a little clue, a little tip. If you put a number in your head that is smaller than 8, you can count on to see how many more you need to get to 8. So let's choose a number that I haven't got here yet. I have not got 0 yet, okay? So what I'm about to do, And watch very carefully because you're going to do the same thing in your book very soon. Okay. All right. Now, I'm going to draw another tens frame. Now watch how I do this. Okay, I need to make sure that my tens frame has 10 boxes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Okay. And I'm going to draw or write my addition symbol here. Then I will draw another tens frame. Just like so. All right. Now, I'm going to put the number 0 in my mind, in my head. Okay, and I'm going to write that down here. 0. So, of course, I am not going to draw any dots in this tens frame. Okay. Let's count to see how many more I need to get to 8. Let's put 0 in our head and count with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I know that to make the number 8 in this tens frame, I'm going to draw 8 dots. So 0 and 8 make 8, or 8 and 0 makes 8. Okay, so we've made 8 with 5 and 3, with 4 and 4, with 2 and 6, with 1 and 7. Okay, now, with 0 and 8. Okay, now boys and girls, it's your turn. Okay, you're going to go to the next slide in the PowerPoint presentation and you're going to see some numbers there. You need to have a look at those numbers and make the numbers in as many different ways as possible. So for example, if you see, take this off for a moment. If you see the number 9, you're going to write that neatly in your book. Then you're going to make that number in as many different ways as possible. Remember, each time you make it, you need 2 tens frames. For example, okay, I'm drawing my 2 tens frames. If you have a ruler, you might like to use it to make sure you are presenting your work neatly, okay? So I'm going to make 9, and I need my addition symbol in the middle, okay, to tell us that we are adding this number and this number. And then you need to think about what numbers you can use to make the number 9. Remember, use your fingers. Use counters if you have some, okay? If you don't have counters, maybe you have pencils that you can use and count. Anything, boys and girls, you can use anything that is going to help you count things. All right? Now, I've got 9 here. I'm going to put a number in my head that is the number 9 or smaller. I'm going to start with 4, okay? Start with 4, and I'm going to draw 4 on my tens frame. 2, 3, 4. That looks like 4. Okay. Now, how many more do I need to get to the number 9? Let's think about this. I've got 4. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need 5 more to get to the number 9. So 4 and 5 makes 9. Remember, mathematicians always double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've made 9, okay? Now, I would go on to make it in a different way. So again, I need my 2 tens frames. Okay, they need to be neat, but they don't need to be perfect. got my 2 tens frames, and now I can think about how else to make the number 9, okay? And I would write those numbers in. Remember, don't forget your addition sign in the middle. Okay, boys and girls, you're making numbers in as many different ways as possible. So now you're going to go to the next slide in the PowerPoint. You're going to look at the numbers, and in your books, make those numbers in as many different ways as possible to show me your part, whole. Okay, part, whole. I am going to take a photo of this, and I will put this. This is in the PowerPoint presentation for you to have a look at as an example. All right, boys and girls. Remember to send your work through to me. Thanks for your hard work today. Bye, everyone.